Folks, I'm back here with my John Deere LA 115. Started bogging down and couldn't figure it out. I'd start it, run for a little bit, and then die again. So thought it was the fuel filter. So I went in to change the fuel filter and changed the fuel filter. And the next time started up, ran great, and got in a good mow, and then parked it. Went back the next week to start it up again and would not run, kept on bogging down. So looked online and people told me it was the fuel pump. So checked the fuel pump, pulled that line off, spit gas out, and fuel pump looked to be working. So I was thinking it was a carburetor, and so I was about to go have it looked at and take it off to my mechanic, and a friend of mine told me that it may be the gas cap. He'd called John Deere, and John Deere told him about the fact that sometimes on these gas caps can get gunked up. There's a little bitty hole right there in the top of that gas cap. There's also inside here this little flange or this seal, and that seal also gets gunked up and it'll get dirty. There's 3 little holes in here that get dirty. So you can pull this out, just pop it out real easily, and you can take a little needle or some type of sharp instrument and go ahead and unplug those holes, clean it up, stick it through that hole as well. Did that, ran like a dream.